जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्मसंयमयोगमु 40th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, there is no destruction for who does Atma Sakshatkara sadhana. There is no destruction for him who practices yogabhyasam to attain Atma Sakshatkaram. Arjuna, there is no destruction for him either in the form of attainment of his goal, which is Atma Sakshatkaram, or there is no destruction for him in attaining other results other than Atma Sakshatkaram. For Arjuna, therefore, no one who practices this yoga abhyasam to attain Atma Sakshatkaram ever comes to a negative end, either in the present, past, or future. So there will be no negative end, there will be no grief for who does this yoga abhyasam, for who does any little good. That is how Sri Krishna Paramatma assuring all those who does practice of yoga abhyasam to attain Atma Sakshatkaram. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Pardhanaiveha namutra vinasaha tasya vidyate nahi kalyana krut kaschit दुर्गतिं तात गच्छति। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava disclosing Sri Krishna Paramatma's glory to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, one day Kala, Magadha, Salva, Adin, Anikaihi Rundhataha. Kalayavana, Magadha king, Salva, all these kings attacked on Madhura Nagaram. All these kings, along with their army, surrounded Madhura Nagaram. At that time, Sri Krishna Paramatma infused his own power into Bhima and Arjuna and some of other soldiers. Through them, Sri Krishna Paramatma killed all those Kalayavana, Magadharaju, Salva. But he pretended that he did not do anything. He pretended that he could not do anything. O Vidura, after that, of course, Sri Krishna Paramatma himself and along with Haladharadi Sametudai Hatula Chese, along with his brother Baladeva, he killed Sembara, Dvivida, Palva, some of those kings. O Vidura, and then you know about Kurukshetram, what happened there. All these brothers fought each other and they all came to Kurukshetra battlefield and they were having so much anger to each other by which even this entire earth got shaken. So in that Kurukshetra battlefield, they all started fighting each other. In that Kauravas, Duryodhana, who was filled up with all bad ideas which are given by Sakarna, Dussasana, Saubalanam, Kumantra Pakena, Karna, Dussasana, all of them fed so much of wrong information, bad information to Duryodhana. So this is all done by Sri Krishna Paramatma. He made sure Duryodhana was fed with those kind of bad ideas and Duryodhana is killed. O Vidura, Bhimasena, in that battlefield, Bhimasena, Sangararangambuna, Bhimu Gada Ghatambunan, Todalu Virigi, Pudamimpadi. Bhimasena with his Gada when he hit Duryodhana's thighs, his thighs broke. Duryodhana fell on the floor. Krishna has seen Duryodhana, but Krishna was not satisfied with that. Like this, Uddhava sharing all those things to Vidura and disclosing Sri Krishna Paramatma's glory. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Sri Madhurashtakam. Karanam madhuram taranam madhuram haranam madhuram ramanam madhuram vamitam madhuram semitam madhuram madhuradhipaterakhilam madhuram madhuradhipaterakhilam madhuram. Mukundamala. कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम्. कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter 40th श्लोका. पार्थनैवेह नामुत्र विनाशः तस्य विद्यते न हि कल्याणकृत् कश्चित् दुर्गतिं तात गच्छति. पार्थनैवेह नामुत्र विनाशः तस्य विद्यते न हि कल्याणकृत् कश्चित् दुर्गतिं तात गच्छति. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.